Hello students, this is Semfano with Esha Academy, where we teach people in demand tech skills. Thank you for tuning into our channel, and we request that you subscribe, share and like and comment on our videos in order for us to keep on producing similar content. Thank you. Hey, I'm here again with a video demonstrating how to answer Microsoft Word questions in the N6 computer practice question paper. This question paper is for November 2016. Here is the question paper. I'm going to start with question number 5. It's for November 2016. So I hope I'm going to help you understand how to deal with the concepts that you find in this question paper. I'm going to start with the first question, question number 5, item 1, which says retrieve the file malware as given on the next page. So if you scroll down to the next page, you have got the file. The file starts from here. So we are supposed to have this file. I have it typed already. I'm quickly going to open it. Here is my file. I have retrieved my file. I'm just going to cascade my windows so that I can read questions quickly. Right. It says that edit the document as indicated in the instructions and according to the manuscript signs and proofreading signs. This is what we have to do. We're going to edit the documents according to the instructions given below or under the document. We are going to start by formatting the layout of our Word document. It's supposed to be in Times New Roman 12 point or 10 CPI if you are using Word Perfect. Right. I'm going to quickly highlight the whole document and select Times New Roman as font over there and select the font type to 12. This is how we have done it. This next thing they say the margins should be 0.5 inch or 1.27 centimeters. So if your computer is measuring in inches, make sure that you use 0.5 inch. Let me quickly enlarge my document so that I can see everything. Right. In order for me to get the margins, when I go to layout over there, and then I'm going to go to margins, then I select 1.27 because my computer is measuring in centimeters. If it were measuring in inches, I would select or enter here under custom, enter 0.5 inch. But at the moment, I am using a measuring in centimeters. So I'm going to quickly select the given margins that are already there, the last custom margins that I have. That is, if you don't have these ones, you can quickly go there and set them here. We say 1.27 centimeters. Also here 27 centimeters. This is supposed to be a comma. You have to take note that your computer is using a comma or a full stop as a decimal point. So mine is using a comma, not a full stop. So I'm going to use a comma as well. If I use a full stop, it's not going to work properly. So these are the margins that I have set for my document. I'm going to quickly press OK. As you can see, the margins are now narrower. Then let's move on to the next question. The next question, this thing should not be here in my way. Okay. Now it says insert the question number, your examination number, and your computer number as indicated. The instructions at the top here, they say that align your question number to the left margin and then align your examination number and computer number to the right margin. So this is what you have to do. So that is the instruction that we have. So let's insert the question number as a header. So if the computer says as a header, there are two ways that I'm going to show you when you're using your mouse to insert a header. You can quickly double click at the top there. It's gonna open a header for you, or you can quickly go to insert, then you go to where is header and footer. You should go to, there must be text somewhere. Okay, there it is, header and footer. You can click on header there to insert your header. You choose the header that you want. You can select this 3-column header. Here you write your question number in uppercase, if it is supposed to be in uppercase, question number. And then here on the right margin you write your examination number. I don't have examination number, that's why I'm writing examination number. You are supposed to write your own examination number. You can write in brackets and write PC number. As they say, computer number. PC stands for personal computer. So you remove that one at the center, then you close your header and footer. You have got your header over there. Now let's check out the next question. The next question says replace the word viruses with malware in capital letters, bold, italics, and font size 14 point. Okay, so you are quickly going to click here at the beginning, then you click on replace over there. Make sure we are under the home tab to see that. So you click on replace. When you click on replace, you are given this final close box where you are going to say what you want to find. You want to find the word viruses, you type it in there. Then what you want to replace, you want to replace it with the word malware. Then you have, whilst you are here on the word that you are replacing with, you are supposed to format it so that it appears as they have instructed you here, where they say that it must be in capital letters, it must be in bold, italics, as well as 14 point. So this is what you have to do, and then you are going to come in here and click on more. Then when you click on more, you look for this replace format, then you choose font here. Then here make sure you tick all caps, and then after ticking all caps you have to choose your font type as well. We are working in Times New Roman. You are bold and italics, and then you go to font size 14 here as they have instructed you. Then if ever they give you the color that they want, you can select the color over there. If they say underline, you can select it over there. If they say underline color, you see, so you can choose the options that you want according to the instructions. Okay, so while you are here, you press on OK. When you click on OK, you can see that the formattings for the words that you are replacing with are in place there. Then you come here and you click on replace all, because you want to replace all of them. Here it gives you a message that says all done, we made 13 replacements. So you click on OK, you are done with that instruction. You can see everywhere where there was malware or where there was viruses, now you have malware. Okay, so this is how you have replaced the text. And then let's move on to the next question. Change the main heading infesting viruses to capital letter, viruses to capital letters, underlined, bold, italics, centered, and 18 point. So let's go there and change the main heading. This is the main heading. You are going to change it to the center. They say it bold, italics, font size 18. They said capital letters as well. Change the main heading here. We are capital letters, underlined, bold, italics. So we have to underline it as well. And then you have to change the case to up. If you have typed in small letters, you can quickly underline italics 18. You can come here where you can change your case. If you have typed in capital letters, you can change to lowercase, sentence case, capitalize each word, totally case, but you want uppercase in this case, then you want italics as well. So this is the changes that we have made. And then we move on. We look at the next question. Left align the level 1 paragraph headings and change to capital letters and bold. So we have got to change the level 1 headings. You can see the asterisks over there. We have asterisks against our paragraphs, so they tell you that indicates main paragraphs, that is level 1. This is the ones that they want us to left align. The 2 asterisks, they mean indicate sub paragraphs, that's level 2, and then 3 is level 3, 4 is level 4, and so on and so on. So they are saying left align these data. So we are going to left align them. We are going to remove these asterisks anyway. Left align, they said we change them to bold, then they said we capitalize them as well. Okay, I'm not sure if, let me check if they said we should underline them, change capital letters and bold. So we only need to capitalize them and embolden them. So we are going to quickly remove that, and then I'm going to apply this formatting to my other heading ones. For example, if I want to apply it here, so I'm gonna quickly double click on the format painter over there, then come here and I select that text. Unfortunately, it doesn't really change the case, so I'm quickly going to change the case to uppercase. Then I'm going to change this one as well, bold, should be 12, uppercase. Okay, then left align, then I remove the level 1 asterisk. Then I move on to the next one. Here's another one. We highlight, embolden, change case to capital letters and left align. Remove that X asterisk. Then the last one. Oh, where is the last one? Okay, they are supposed to be 4. Let's confirm. We have 1 heading, heading 2, 3, and 4. We have changed all our level 1 headings. Let's go on to the next question. They said make use of automatic paragraph numbering function to number the paragraphs as indicated. Okay, level 1s, they must have a 1. According to this one, use the paragraph numbering styles. 1 for level 1, this one is for level 2, this one is for level 3, this one is for level 4. Note, level 1, that is 1 to 4, must be also in bold. So we must embolden where we have our level 1 paragraphs. Okay, so let's quickly do that. I'm just going to use the format painter a lot on this question. So the first thing that we have to do is to type. We need a numbering like this one. So you can notice that it has changed this to a paragraph number. As you can see, when I click on it, it highlights also there the numbering over there, showing that this is a number. So it means it's automatic. So if you come here, you see it says undo automatic numbering. It means it used automatic numbering. So that is what they wanted us to use. Okay, so I just typed this one. Let me just do it again. You just type a 1, put a dot, then you press space, then it's gonna quickly number it automatically. So I'm going to number all the four level 1 headings. So I'm quickly going to double click there because I want to apply this numbering to 3 other headings. Okay, if I want to apply it to 1, I simply click once. Okay, but if I want to apply it to more than 1 places or 1 areas, I'm going to double click that one. Okay, let me move. Yeah, double click. It's not proper. Double click. Now it's okay. I'm quickly going to click here. I'm copying the numbering. Come here and copy it again here. Then paint it again there. So I'm using the format painter to make sure that my headings have the same numbering settings. So this one is not in bold. I'm quickly going to embolden it according to the instructions. Okay, now I've numbered all my first level paragraphs. Okay, so now I'm going to check the other question. insert page breaks. Okay, what did they say? Make use of automatic numbering function to number the paragraphs as indicated. Okay, so wherever I have two asterisks, I'm going to put this kind of number. Okay, this one that has two digits. Okay, so under, for example, in this manual, I'm going to use another number, 1.1 point. So it automatically turns it into a number. Okay, so I'm gonna, no, I don't need to bold this one. They said these ones should be bold, so I'm quickly going to copy it to other area. So quickly double click format painter, because I want to paint this format on other areas. Here I'm going to paint it over there. Wherever I have two asterisks, I'm going to paint this number. Okay, like that. Like that. You see here it's continuing. It's how, because we're under level 2, so it says 2.1. It no longer says 1.5, so it automatically numbers. Okay, here as well, here as well. Make sure that before you click, you see the brush, the painting brush. Make sure that you see the painting brush and the cursor before you click. Don't click while it's like this, it's not gonna work. Make sure you see the brush when you click. Okay, okay. Now it's gonna say 4.1. Then I move on. I'm looking for the ones with two asterisks, because I'm doing level 2 now. I'm going to do level 3 later. There we go. 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 Yes, we're done with level 2. We're done with level 1 and level 2. Now I'm going to number level 3. Okay, so I'm just gonna remove my format painter. Then I'm going to do level 3 now. Level 3 is this one. It's gonna have 3 digits. It's gonna be 1.1.1 point. Okay, then press enter. It automatically does the automatic number. Okay, so now I'm doing level 3. I'm gonna take my format painter again. I'm going to apply it there. That one is level 4. I'm gonna leave it out for now. Then there. This is level 3. Yes, this is level 3 again. Level 3, level 3, level 3. Another level 3. Another one over there. 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 Another one. This is level 3 again. These are level 4. Okay, let me quickly remove my format painter again. I'm going to do level 4 now. So level 4 is going to be 1.1.1 no 0.2.1 point. Okay, or let me do it this way. Okay, let me first here. It automatically makes it level 4. Okay, you can see now it has 4 digits. Okay, so what you can do alternatively, we are quickly going to just copy this one, paint it over there. Okay, but you click on your numbering, then you press tab. When you press tab, it automatically makes it level 4. Even if this one even if we didn't have for this one, for level 3 here, you could take the level 2 formatting. You could take this level 2 formatting, paint, then you click there, then you come and click here, then you press tab on the keyboard. It's going to automatically make it level 3. Okay, so this is another method you can do it. So now let's continue. I'm going to copy my level 4 numbering. Let me just double click, look for 4 asterisks now, because we're doing level 4. Right, there you go. I'm leaving these asterisks here so that you are able to see if you may have made a mistake. I'm gonna paint it there and also paint it there. These are the only level 4 headings that we have. Okay, there you go, there you go. Yeah, we're fine. Then we'll remove that one. So now I'm going to go back and remove the asterisks. I no longer want them. Or I can quickly come here and say find and replace. Okay, then type my asterisk. That's what I want to find. Where is my asterisk? There is my asterisk. And then I'm going to replace it with nothing. I'm just gonna say replace all. Oops, we didn't want to replace. Okay, so I've replaced all my first one. So let me type another one. I'm removing level 2s now. Replace. Hey, doesn't want to replace again. Let me see if I remove level 3s. I remove level 3s now. Replace. I've replaced 21. Let me remove level 4s. Replace. Oops, what is happening? Okay, it wasn't actually replacing because of my formatting. Let me go back there. Okay, replace. I want to change this formatting first. Format, font, and tick that one and leave that one there. Remove that. Remove that. Then click on OK. I'm replacing it with nothing. So if I say replace all, it has made 3 replacements. Let me quickly replace just one by one like that. 124 or nothing. Okay, it's fine. Let me replace it with a space then. Replace. So now I have replaced all of them with an empty space. Okay, now wherever there was an asterisk, it's no longer there. As you can see, it's no longer there, but that space is there. Okay, you can actually leave it like that. Now this is how you can quickly do that question. Okay, now let's continue. What is the next question? Insert page breaks as follows before vulnerability of different operating systems. Okay, vulnerability, this is, they want us to replace a page break here. You can quickly go to layout, breaks, then next page. Okay, or you can press Ctrl on the keyboard and hold it, then you press enter. It's gonna quickly insert a page break for you. Okay, so that is how you insert a page break. Then the next question, before the following history. So before the following history, they want a page break again. Then I'm going to quickly breaks under layout, then next page. I've inserted, remove the numbering that is appearing so that your work is nicely presented. Okay, and then I'm sure they want it before top computer again. Seems like yes. Top computer checklist. Then you insert a page break. Then you remove those paragraph numberings, and then you check the next question. They say before missing files. So let's look for missing files. If you can't see it, you know how to find it, but you can quickly go to find. Then you insert a page break there. Then you move on and insert another page break. before unusual error messages. Here is unusual. Did you see that? There you go. Then you insert a page break again. Okay, and then after inserting your page breaks, you will notice that you have more pages than you had. You have now 6 pages. Okay, so let's check the next question. Change the line spacing of the page vulnerability of different operating systems to viruses to double line spacing. So I'm going to quickly change it to double line spacing. The vulnerability of various operating systems. This is the page, so we select the text in this page. Okay, then you go, make sure you're on the home tab, then you go to line spacing, then you select a 2. You are now in double line spacing. Okay, save your work. Make sure you save your work regularly by clicking on Ctrl and S. Click Control, press Control on the keyboard and hold it down, then you press on S. Sort the paragraphs of the page to the follow. The following is a history of some of most famous viruses ever in ascending order according to the years. So we need to sort them in chronological order. So these are the paragraphs with the years. So we are going to sort these ones. It's going to take a little bit of time to sort these ones, so you have to check which one comes before the other. Okay, so we start with 1971. We have 1974 here, I believe is the, so I just cut it, then come here, and after 1971, then I paste it there. Okay, and then the next one is 1974 up to 1990. 1990 is the next one. I cut, create space, then I paste. You notice that the numbering, the paragraph numbers are automatically updating. Okay, and then just want to create spaces there. Okay, and then the next one, 1990, we have 1995. I will cut that one as well and paste it after 1990. There you go. Then 1995, that's 2000. Right, when we want to, now we ended with 1995, we can take 2000, cut it, and then paste it after 1995. Then we have 2001 and 2004. 2001 and 2004, we are going to take them both, cut. I just press and hold Control and press X to cut. Okay, so I'll paste it after 2000. Then I have 2006 and paste it here after 2004. Then after 2006, I'm going to take all these ones at the bottom, cut them and paste them after 2006. Okay, that's it. They are sorted now. I'm just gonna quickly edit my page so that it looks more professional. I can remove these numbers. You can undo that if you cancel by mistake. There you go. We have actually sorted our work in chronological order. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. Yes. Now let's continue. The next question says that, where is it? Okay, we have sorted center the paragraphs. Center the paragraphs. Did you see that? Okay, let's look for the paragraph that says, did you see that? We have got to center it. It's on, should be on the next. Missing files. This is the paragraphs. What does it say? Center the paragraphs on the page, unusual. So we are going to quickly center these ones. You select all of them, then you click on center over there. It's going to center them like that. Okay. Then the next thing, page of missing files gone. So now we're going to format this page according to these instructions. Change the page orientation to landscape. Okay, so I'm quickly going to click here at the beginning of the file of the paragraphs, the first paragraph, because I can't click there. I will just click there, and then I'm going to go to page layout. Then I'm going to look for page orientation over there. I can't check that one, so I have to check under this one. Okay, if you check here, you won't have enough options to specify how you want to put your orientation. So you have to come here, right? Then you click on landscape. Then here you select where to apply your landscape orientation. You have to click on that small arrow. You say from this point forward. Okay, so if you select like that, you press OK. It's going to put the next page on landscape. Okay, we do not need this numbering. Okay, oopsie, what happened? Okay, this is right. This is portrait, this is landscape. Okay, you can see now the difference. Okay, so now it's supposed to be only on this page, but notice that this page also has so you can click at the end here, or you can click here at the beginning of this sentence. Okay, then you go back to landscape, to page orientation, you select portrait, then here you say from this point forward. Okay, from this point forward, then you press on OK. Right, so you will notice that it has changed the page orientation. Our page orientation for this page is landscape. The top ones are in portrait. This one is in landscape, then this one is in portrait. So this is how you change your pages orientations. Okay, change the 4 paragraphs to equal columns, the paragraphs that are in the landscape, with a vertical line in between the columns. Okay, so we go to this page. It has 4 paragraphs. As you can see, you select these paragraphs, and then you come here under page layout, then you select columns. Under columns, you make sure that you go to more columns. Don't just select 2 columns here. You have got to select more columns. Yes, you have 2 columns, but don't select that one. It will give you limited options, so you have to select more columns. When you click on more columns, you will notice that you have an option to say 2. Okay, they are supposed to be equal, so make sure that equal column width is ticked, unless the columns are not supposed to be equal. Okay, to insert a line in between these two, as you can see under the preview here, you have column 1 and column 2. There is no line in between, so because this one is not checked, so you check this box that says line in between, you check it. Okay, once you have checked it, it's gonna give you a preview as to where your columns are going to be applied and how they are going to look. Okay, let's check if there is any other further instruction that we can use. Change the okay, that is all we need to do. So you click on selected section. Okay, so you can choose where to selected text, okay, because we want to put our columns only in this page. Okay, so you click on OK. When you click on OK, you will notice that our text remains in the same page. Okay, so you can click here at the end, you go to layout, then you go to breaks, then you insert what is called a column break. When you insert a column break, the text is going to move to the next column. Okay, okay, let me do that again. Column break, 4.8 point, I'm just correcting that one. Okay, so these are our columns that we have inserted. We have two columns, column 1 and column 2, and the line in between. That is how they wanted you to answer this question. Okay, so they say save the file as Q5 malware. Okay, print the document and place in your examination folder. So finally we are done with this question, so we're quickly going to save it before we go to question 6. Okay, let's quickly save it. Save as, open your folder where you want to save. So they said Q5 malware. Okay, Q5 malware, then you click on save. Now you have saved your work. We are going to move on to the next question. Before we go to question 6, there is one thing that I want to show you. When you want to make sure that automatic numbering is applied, for example, I gave you an example here. I typed a 1 and pressed a dot, then I pressed space, so it automatically uses automatic number. Okay, let's say that your computer does not have automatic numbering, so it's not going to be able to do this. So I want to show you how to set your computer so that it has automatic numbering. You go to File, Options, then Proofing, then you auto correct options. Then here you have to make sure that you select auto format as you type. When you select this tab, there are about 5 tabs here. You can see all these tabs, but the tab that you are interested in at the moment is this one, auto format as you type. So you make sure that it says automatic numbered list is ticked. If it's not ticked, it's not going to automatically number your work. Okay, even for bullets, if you are dealing with bullets, you can do the same. Let me leave it unticked for a moment and experiment with you. Okay, so let's say I want this to be number 1. So when I press enter, you notice that it doesn't make it an automatic number. You see that if I click on it, it no longer highlights because I've turned off automatic numbering. Okay, so let me go back and turn it on again. Okay, then File, Options, Proofing, autocorrect formats options, then auto format as you type, then you tick that box, then you click okay. Then now when I type a 1, it's gonna automatically make automatic number. This is what I wanted to make clear. Okay, let's meet in question number 6. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe if these videos are helping you. Comment, like, and click on the bell button so that you get notified when I'm making new uploads. Thank you so much. Goodbye.